Do you know your customer? Do you know exactly what he wants? Right now? Or in next few minutes? Or tomorrow? We know. That's why 40,000 machines around the world are linked you online, giving up to 30% more profit than competitors. You know that you online is a next-gen online telemetry system, enabling 1. Real-time machines monitoring. 2. Route management. 3. Remote vending machines management. 4. Cash flow and consumption control. 5. Powerful analytics instruments for your vending business. But with you online, you can also engage, entertain, evolve. Get in touch with your customer. Trace buying habits of each of your customers. Make personalized offers based on his track record. Entertain and engage your customer. Get your customer involved in the game. With you online, you can award your clients with bonuses and prizes for their buying activity. Give new payment options. Your clients do not require cash anymore. They can pay with their smartphone. With new features of you online, your vending machines can earn up to 30% more due to control, analytics, and customer engagement. Get in touch with you online.